OMGS. Oh, my Google Sheets. Do you use Google Sheets a lot? I use them all the time, especially when it comes to dealing with the information that I've collected through a Google form. And there's a new tool that just popped up like, yesterday. I don't know, I just noticed it yesterday. It's called Checkboxes, and it is going to make my life so much easier. Come, let's check it out. So I just discovered this simple new tool that is going to make my life a lot easier. I use Google Sheets a lot for collecting information, and mostly the information that I collect from Google Forms, which I get and then goes into a Google Sheet like this one, and I have to do something with it. Up until now, in order to keep track of who I'd taken care of and who I haven't, I would highlight the name that I'd already taken care of. But now there's a simpler, easier way to do it, and it's hot out of the oven. Here goes. You go to Insert, and you see a checkbox. See? New. So exciting. You ready? Now I don't have to deal with colors anymore, although I can for other things. I can just tick off the ones that I've dealt with already. How simple is that? How didn't somebody think of that earlier? So anyway, let me know if you find it useful. You can write down in the comments on the bottom. Be sure to click on subscribe because you don't want to miss anything. Digitally yours.